Anybody here ever quit smoking? Well, cigarettes. Those are bad for you. Okay, can I ask you a question? So did anybody ever tell you to, I was going to say ladies, but we can't assume anymore. You can tell me what your pronoun is. Is there anything you want to be identified as? A bully? A lady, okay, so she's a bully. Okay, got it, okay. I learned all that from watching Shameless. There was one episode, 2 episodes ago, where the guy that plays Joker on Gotham, he's also in somebody, I hope one person followed that. Okay, so did anybody ever tell you that they think, sorry, as a speaker I learned you're supposed to go like this, you're not supposed to point. Did anybody, I did, I went to speaking school, because I want to learn how to be a speaker. You should watch a 3-hour training. It goes all over the place. Did anybody ever tell you that you should quit smoking cigarettes? What about you? Anybody ever tell you that? What did you immediately want to do the second they told you? Could you tell me within a 360-degree circumference radius, I didn't pay attention, diameter, I don't know, whatever, which direction would you want to blow the smoke? Right in their face. Interesting. But then you quit smoking cigarettes? Why? You don't have to answer. So you actually made the choice to do it. How long did it take you once you made the choice? Yeah, that's it. It's done. How many of you are spending your whole entire life trying to manipulate other people to do things you want them to do, instead of just figuring out how to get them to choose to want to do it? And then how many of you just went, but it shouldn't be that way, because I have to work harder, and I have to be responsible, and I don't want to work hard. I want to graduate college, have a job, and be the boss in 6 months. Say some kids. One way to be empowered, catch yourself whenever you get upset. The only reason you got upset is because you create an expectation.